gear seekers, I'm Nick. Over the weekend, we asked our Discord community what type of builds they wanted to see us do on the channel, and one of the reoccurring suggestions was a simple black and white build. We had all of the parts on hand, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button right now and turn on that little bell to receive notifications. We upload basically every single day of the week, so do yourself a big old favor and make sure you're subscribed. In this video, I'm building a fairly high-end black and white themed gaming machine in the Corsair spec-omega RGB featuring MSI's new RTX 2070 Gaming Z. Should pack quite a punch. Usually I'll talk about all of the parts before we're doing a build, but going forward with these videos, I'm actually going to move to doing all of that right at the end, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start building. Let's do it. let's talk parts. The motherboard I picked was the Gigabyte AX370 Gaming 5. I used to use this board in my main gaming PC for like quite a while, and we featured it in quite a few videos on the channel as well, so yeah. I'm gonna use it again because it's been pretty good. The CPU we went for is my favorite CPU of 2018, the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. It's a very capable CPU for gaming, streaming, and content creation with lots of cores and a whole lot of power. To cool the 2700X, we picked the Corsair H100i Pro. We've actually done quite an in-depth installation guide for AM4 motherboards already. You can check that out in the top right-hand corner right now. The GPU we picked for this build is the MSI RTX 2070 Gaming Z. From the testing that we did, it appears to be a pretty good gaming GPU despite what many people think. We actually did a full benchmarking video with it, and you can check that out in the top right hand corner right about now. The RAM we used is 32 gigs of Team Group T-Force Nighthawk at 3000 MHz. You probably also noticed that we used a black kit and a white kit to add to the color scheme. I never usually talk about the storage in these builds, but we used a brand new ADATA 480 gig SU630 SATA SSD that they sent over earlier in the week. And yeah, we just wanted to give it a little bit of a test. So far, so good. Lastly, the case. It's the Corsair spec-omega RGB. It's a pretty easy case to build in, and the airflow is pretty good despite how it looks. It's a little bit of a headache to cable manage given how much lighting we put into this build, but overall it's pretty well constructed, and the included RGB fans and the Lighting Node Pro are a very, very nice touch. It actually reminds me of building in the old Corsair Carbide 400C. Yeah, the 400C. Chances are it's probably exactly the same case. I have a 400C here, so I probably should check that sometime. I know that this is going to be inevitable with this video. We're going to get questions about Corsair LL fans and ML fans and Lighting Node Pros and all of that jazz. We actually did a very in-depth installation video, so yeah. Please don't ask on this video, because there is a video in the top right hand corner that's going to answer all of the questions that you've got about Lighting Node Pros and LL fans and all of that jazz. Yeah, you can thank me later. Special thanks to Corsair, Team Group, MSI, AMD and ADATA for providing the most important parts for this build. Without them believing in what we do, builds like this would probably never happen on the channel. If you're interested in any of the parts in this build, you can find links down there in the description, right down below. Also, if you guys want any of the music that I make for these videos, yeah, that's right, I make all the music on the channel. You can check out our Patreon, because that's where you can download all the music for as little as $1 per month. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do. Tell us what you hated about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And what a nice, refreshing build. I really like it. It looks really cool. It's plain and simple, just the way I like it.